dear friends, welcome to the Talentrix channel. Talentrix, we driven to explore talents from students in podcast industry. Do listen our audio-visual blogs in Kannada, English and in Hindi. Do subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates. Dear friends, today's topic is solar energy. Solar energy is the radiation from the sun capable of producing heat, causing chemical reactions or generating electricity. Oh, sorry, Shreyas is saying this better than me in today's video. Let us see.
Hello everybody, Shreyas are here. I am studying in 9th standard in Government Adarsha Vidyalaya, Sadhankeri, Dharwad. Do you know one of the less costly and non-pollutive method of generating electricity? Today I am here with an interesting topic, solar energy. One of the great invention allowing to convert sunlight into usable energy forms is the solar energy. This energy is very useful to us for things like converting sunlight into electrical energy. It is a renewable source of energy as sunlight is almost infinitely available to us. The amount of sunlight that strikes the Earth's surface in an hour and a half is enough to handle the entire world's energy for a complete year. Pretty amazing, isn't it? This solar energy is converted into electricity through photovoltaic or PV panels or through another method in which the mirrors are used that concentrate solar radiation. Now, let us look into the two main types of solar energy technologies. Firstly, photovoltaics. Photovoltaics are utilized in solar panels. Photovoltaic materials and devices are the converters of sunlight into electrical energy. A single photovoltaic device is known as an cell. An individual photovoltaic cell can produce up to 1 to 2 watts of electricity. These cells are made up of different semiconductors which is even thinner than 4 human hairs. Can you imagine it? In order to withstand outer atmosphere for many years, they are sandwiched between protective materials in a combination of glass and plastics. The largest PV system in India and the whole world is the Bhadla Solar Park. It is located in the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. It covers a total area of 56 square kilometers and has the capacity to produce 2245 megawatts of electricity. Another type is concentrated solar thermal power system or CSP system. CSP systems use mirror to reflect and concentrate sunlight on the receivers, which collect solar energy and convert it into heat energy, which later can be converted into electrical energy. In this topic, let us go a little deeper. The energy from the concentrated sunlight hits a high temperature fluid in the receiver. This heat, also known as thermal energy, can be used to spin a turbine or power an engine to generate electricity. It can be used in variety of industrial applications like water desalination, enhanced oil recovery, food processing, chemical production, and mineral processing. The largest CSP plant in the world is Noor Complex Solar Plant, Morocco, located in the Sahara Desert. Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Park is the largest CSP plant in India. It produces up to 125 megawatts of heat energy. Now, we shall see on what scale is solar energy used throughout the world. In the whole world, about 4.5% of electricity is produced through solar PV plants. It is the third largest renewable electricity technology which lies behind hydropower and wind energy. China produces about 53,009 megawatts of electricity, which is about 40% of total production. Our country comes in third place after USA, producing 10,299 megawatts or 7.8% of total electricity. Using these solar energies at home helps a lot in reducing electricity costs. As it lasts for many years, you can save a lot of money for other expenses. Moreover, they are very affordable and efficient. It also works like an inverter. Even when the electricity is down, you can use the collected solar energy. You may say, what to do when we live in a rented house? Don't worry, you can also apply panels at your rental home with the permission of your owners. As they are very environmental friendly, they do not cause any harm or side effects to your house. Wow, such a wonderful invention. I wonder who invented it. Let me find it. Oh, I found it. It was Edmund Berquel who discovered the photovoltaic effect. So basically what photovoltaic effect is, it is a procedure that produces electric current when exposed to light or radiant energy. In 1883, Charles Freitas created the first solar cell by coating selenium with a thin layer of gold. It had achieved about 2% of energy conversion rate. The modern solar cells work at an efficiency of 15 to 20% of energy conversion rate. Still, it was a great achievement back in the time of 1883. One of the greatest achievements of solar energy is the solar transportation. A normal vehicle uses petrol or diesel, which is very pollutive to the environment. Another method of transportation, which are the electrical vehicles, are not pollutive, but major amount of electricity is produced through coal, which is indirectly pollutive. So, if these vehicles get further opportunities, they will be the least expensive, non-pollutive, eco-friendly and affordable vehicles. Currently, there are some solar boats, partly solar airplanes, solar cars, bikes, and many other vehicles. This technology will make the world more clean and less pollutive. It also reduces noise pollution on a great scale. Finally, let us look into the uses of solar energy. They can be used in many materials such as solar heating, solar street lights, solar transportation as I discussed earlier, the solar boilers, solar electricity, solar pool heating system, portable solar energy, solar cooking, solar cookers, solar ovens, solar charging, solar fabrics, solar heat pumps, solar air conditioners, solar ventilation, and many more. In this podcast, we looked into the solar energy, types of solar energies, technologies, which means the two types which convert solar energy into electrical energy, utilization of solar energy, uses of solar energy, history of solar energy, solar transportation system, etc. In the next podcast, I will be back with another interesting topic. Until then, thanks for listening.
My dear friends, I hope you all liked today's video. Then see you again in the next video with another new topic. Thank you. For more updates, do visit www.talentrix.co.in.